dadaan muna kami dito sa Hardee's para mag-snack muna dahil ano kami abutin ng tanghali.
What, you want to drink coffee?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab coffee.
Okay.
Sa Hardee's. Beach good steak recipe.
What can I get you?
Good morning. 2 sausage and egg. I'm sorry. 2 sausage. I'll back up. 2 egg and cheese biscuits.
You want 2 egg and cheese biscuits?
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
2 small coffees and a large order of hash browns. Good. It's not good to take medicine. Plus, see, I've got. Hello. I'm fine. You're assuming I'm in South Carolina soon? We could eat at Applebee's this afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like that again?
Yes.
We'll eat something different than right? We have a card for them.
Yeah, I still have 100.
This is Southport in Oak Island.
Wow. So we're going to Wilmington downtown, guys. And guys, dito na tayo sa Wilmington downtown, another town of North Carolina. So we are heading to Asian Lives Market. We are going to buy some Asian food and other stuff, and also heading to buy some our groceries, Costco, and what other groceries we were gonna look for.
Yeah, Trader Joe's and
Okay, I cannot, sorry, I
Coffee.
cannot pronounce that kaya so nahirapan na talaga ako ng English.
we need lots of coffee.
Yes. So this is 10th Street. Yeah. Ang ganda. Ganda dito, parang ano lang, parang matnog. Ayan, sa mga
1,000 feet, turn right.
Oh, Kyoto. So this is.
I can't think, but it closed.
I think there is. I think that's not close, right?
Turn right, then turn right.
What? Oh,
Yeah, exit life market.
And guys, we're here in an Asian Life Market.
Your destination is on the left.
Yes, we knew that.
It's on the right.
No, it's on the right. Ayan guys. Let's see kung ano ang aming mabibili for today.
Bandito.
Mamacita.
You don't have no bagoong, so I had to get this one to make bagoong.
Market Street, then turn right onto South Kerr Avenue.
You're taking the rides. Okay.
Right onto Market Street, then turn right onto South Kerr Avenue.
They will be more likely to buy the 999 than 1029. Couldn't we?
Yeah, tradition.
College Barbershop.
Oh, next time we will have in one time here groceries and what do you call this one? Having our haircut. Pomegranate.
Go past this light, then turn right onto South 47th Street.
I think here. I know. Tough.
Build one of these in Myrtle. They have stuff that's just kind of different from everybody else.
Mm-hmm.
I need to find a restaurant.
Okay, I need to. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Trader Joe's, isang supermarket. Of course, kasama si Daddy. Pupunta pa kami ng Costco later. Adaw, kadako sini na ano, saging. Adaw. Kaloka. Adaw. This one is good one, I think.
Okay, yeah.
Ayan, galing na kami sa Trader Joe. Wala naman kami nabili, kundi pinya at saka dried mango. Sa Costco na lang kami bibili.
Pieces.
Yeah.
Where'd you find those at?
My Ate Marie said if we are like a sweets, so if you like sweets, you should try crumble cookie.
Tell her we're trying to lose weight.
Yeah.
Get her behind us. Thank you. I'm so dumb. I don't know that.
Dito kami sa Costco ng Wilmington. Daming tao. See it, guys. Costco. So, pupunta kami sa Costco, bibili ng ano, coffee, yung kanyang coffee capsules, and then kung anong mga anig-anig pa. Aside from coffee, what we need, ang hirap talaga mag-English, kalupa. Paghapon, maluyan ang ano ko, mahina ang aking pag-English, guys. Morning lang talaga. So, naghanap muna kami dito na mabibili kung anong pwedeng makikita sa Costco. Ayan guys, so may halo-halo. Halo-halo. Diba? Shrimp. Ayan, bumalik tayo dito ngayon sa Asian Life Market dito sa Wilmington para kumuha ng ano. May nakita kasi akong ano dito, fish. Ano siya, bangos. So, bangos. One whole lang siya. It's $6. So, isa lang kasi every week lang kami dito. And then, mayroon pang ditong butchoy. Ada, may mga isda din na pwede sa ako kanang si daddy habo man sini. Then of course tanglad. Makuha ba ako sa may tanglad na may unsin. Pwede itanom, di ba? Ayan, meron tayong bangos, ampalaya, butchoy, papano at saka sayo. O, di ba?
All the way up.
At the next light, turn left.
Can you see behind us?
Okay, we're home. Hi. Hi guys, we're safely home again. So galing kaming Wilmington. Ito yung nabili namin sa Costco, yung ni Daddy. Coffee. Then of course, binili namin sa Trader Joe's na, what do you call this one? Mango. And then, ito po yung nabili namin sa Costco, yung Opromazole. Tapos, meron naman tayong bagong short. Diba? Dahil kailangan natin to parang Amerikano ng ating beauty. And then, of course, ang kanyang AAA battery. And then, apple dye, apple. Meron tayong apple. And then, galing naman ito sa Asian Life Market sa Wilmington. And then, guess what? This is stickerized. May mapulot na kita. And then, of course, Life Without Rice. So, this is Christmas rice. 5 kilos siya. Almost 5 kilos. And, guess what other else? We have this Bihon, Kim Ho IQ, super cute. The Pancit Canton Originals. The Bitchin, ayan. So, ito talagang pinaka-best, the Bitchin. And then, we have here the Mamacita Adobo Mix. The Mamacita Adobo. So, tatlo kinuha ko, sabi ni Daddy, para hindi nila magbalik-balik. And of course, kumuha tayo nitong Choco Coconut Cream, which is yung gata. Para pag nag-bet tayo gumawa ng biko, meron na tayong panghalo. Okay. And here also, oh, we forgot this one, the coffee candy. So this is the coffee candy, coffee ko para sa biyahe. And then of course, ang munggo. Meron tayong munggo, finally, the green mung beans. And of course, ang seasoning guys, hindi mawawala yan. Then, hinihinga na to. And then I have my cinnamon stick. At saka of course, Mamacita, sinigang sa sampalok. And then, meron tayong dito mga, okay, there you go. Meron pa tayo guys. Guess what? Ay! The bangus fish is still frozen, Daddy. So this is the one bangus. Almost $6. And of course, ang isda na pampano fish. Diba? And then, meron tayong ditong bok choy. Ayan, looks like a pichay. Pwede dito sa sa pampano. And then of course the bitter gourd. Hey, the bitter gourd. The ampalaya with the egg in the morning, and of course the rice. And then di mawawala ang ating sayuti dahil magtitinula ako next day. And then meron tayong, we have here kaong. Meron tayong kaong. And then of course yung white na kaong. Tapos we have also a kaong na green. And then of course ang sweet purple jam. Ayan, ito na muna yung aking may share sa inyo to complete our Wellington journey. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye!